look at all these snacks Dad got. How do you want to split them? I don't know. I want the blue raspberry and the orange prime. Okay, here you go. I only need one anyway. Okay, thanks. Wait, are you just giving me these so you can have all the Oreos? No, here, you can have them. Wait a second. Are you just giving me the cookies so that you can have the healthy carrots and I get all the fat food? No, you can have these too. What? Now I have all this stuff. I feel kind of bad. Okay, then I'll just keep the Mr. Beast chocolate. Aha, I knew it. You were just giving me all this stuff so that you could keep the best snack. Hey, what's going on over here? Jackson took all the Mr. Beast candy. What? No, it's not what it looks like. Jackson!